What is the process of getting a CofO on a land here in the state of Enugu? First, you need to understand that CofO can only be issued once on a land that never received CofO before. So if you are planning to get CofO for a land here in the state of Enugu, here is the process. Number one is that you need to get your deed and your survey plan registered. So your deed can be deed of assignment or deed of sublease. Then you need to take it to land registry and ensure that these documents are registered, because it's very important. This is the first step that you need to take before you start processing your certificate of occupancy. So the second step is that you need to take those registered deed and then the registered survey plan to the land registry and then apply for CofO. You need to write a letter to the government and make them understand that you need a CofO for a particular land. Number three is that you need to pay the necessary fee for the processing of the certificate of occupancy. After applying for the certificate of occupancy, you need to pay a certain amount of money that the government are going to use in order to process that fee for you. So when you get to land registry, they are going to give you a list of payment that you need to make for that particular application for the CofO that you want to get on a particular land. And then after making that certain fee, you'll be told a particular number of time that you need to wait before the CofO will now be ready. And once it is ready, you'll be notified to come and pick your CofO. And if you're an investor or maybe first-time buyer and you want to buy land here in the state of Enugu, but you don't know how to go about the application of CofO, just go ahead, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen, and we'll guide you on the process on how to get a CofO.